Lauren here with the Tiny House Building Company. I am in our sample selection room today. I wanted to come in and show you guys just how much stuff we have in here for you to pick out for your custom tiny house. So starting over here, we have so many different options as far as siding goes. We have all the different shapes, sizes, and textures of siding. So if you want a different textured siding, this has shallower ridges, this one has deeper ridges. These are shake style. Those are really pretty on the houses. These are all the different colors you have to choose from, and I have a ton more further along here. We've got windows to show you the double hung windows that we use. And we have this, I'll get this out of the way for you guys. This is one of the small little 32-inch bathtubs that we put in a lot of tiny homes for people that have dogs or kids that just want a small place to bathe them. Get this out of the way here. And coming along this way, we have our stains here. We have multiple different stains. You can choose your own stain. These are just stains that we have used before previously, just to show you guys what colors we have done, to give you an idea if you don't have one yet. We've got the colors written down on the sides so you know what it looks like on the type of wood that we do use, which is really great. Over here we have flooring. There's so many different types of flooring you can choose from. This is real wood. We've got a cork flooring here. This is a bamboo flooring that's really, really neat. We've only put that in a few houses. It's really cool. We also have some different laminate floorings over here. Wood floorings, so many different types here. Over here, we have a bunch of different samples from floorings that we have used in a ton of houses. This one's really cool and I think is my favorite because it is 100% waterproof for up to 24 hours. So you spill water, you forget about it, or you don't know you spill it, or your cat's jumping around, drops your water on the floor and you don't know it's there and you're gone. Your flooring will be a-okay. It's pet-proof, stain-proof, and it has a really cool color. They have a bunch of different colors. It has a nice texture to it. I love this kind here. A lot of people have chosen these lighter floorings. Like I said, these are all the floorings that we have put in a bunch of homes. So we have that. Here we have a bunch of different roof samples for you to choose from. Now you can go for a standard shingle roof if that's what you prefer. Tons of different colors to choose from down there. Those are really great. I also have a sample right here of our metal roof. This is the copper color that a lot of people choose to go for. And there are a ton of colors to choose in this, and I do have a color sample chart over there that you guys can pick from when you come in. Countertops, we have granite here. We have the different color of laminate that people choose to go for. And we also offer butcher block. Now you can get the butcher block stained or polyurethane on top of it to give it a nice barrier against any liquids that could get onto it. Now we're going as far as letting you choose. Do you want rolled-in siding or do you want spray and foam insulation? The roll-in insulation is just standard insulation. It's really good for pretty much any climate. This is also a really great option. It's really light. Now moving this way, I have a solar panel right here. If you choose to go off-grid, this is what your solar panel is going to look like. We can put pretty much as many as you need or want on top of the house to make sure that everything that you have in there will run smoothly with your solar panel. I've got more siding options over here. Like I said, siding is a huge thing. There's a bunch of siding hanging on the wall over here. This is a faux rock siding, which is really neat if you want to bump the different sidings together to give it a different look. And then this is a sample of our tongue and groove. This is what we use on the inside of the homes for the walls. It gives it an extra layer of insulating, and it's also really great in lieu of drywall, because drywall will settle and crack in your tiny home over time and when it's moved. And I wanted to show you one thing over here. When we say everything in the homes are custom, everything is custom. So you're picking out, like I said, all of this stuff that we already went through. You're picking out your lighting. These are a few different pendants that we are about to use in some new builds. They're really pretty. They'll show you, the different feel that the people are going for in their homes. So if you guys are excited and you want to go tiny, we're excited for you. We're here. We'll go through the whole process with you, pick everything out with you. Give us a call. Shoot us an email, shoot us a message, and we would love to get started on this journey.